Hey, Ty Webb, Real Estate Crab here in Annapolis, Maryland. I want to talk to you today about an important topic in the atmosphere in which we're operating in real estate and in the loan world right now. I got 8 things I want to talk to you about that a borrower should never do once they've completed the loan application. And then I want to talk to you about a couple of things I do want you to do. But here's 8 things I want you to promise me to never do. Number 1, please don't quit your job. Don't even change your job. If you're thinking about changing your job, once you file that loan application, call your loan officer. If you're going within the same profession, within the same industry, and you're going to make as much or more money, it probably would be all right. But don't just do it. Confer with your loan officer before you do that. Number 2, don't change bank accounts. And number 3, with your existing accounts, don't transfer money between them. Once you fill out that loan application, don't start doing that because it can cause a problem from your lender's underwriting perspective. Number 4, counter deposits. Don't make any deposits to your accounts in excess of $500, say, unless it's related to your pay. If your paycheck's automatically wired in, if you go deposit your paycheck, that's fine. Now look, don't co-sign any loans. I know that's obvious, but some people say, well, I'm just co-signing, it's not going to affect my credit. It is going to affect your credit. Don't co-sign any loans. And then, of course, don't purchase a new car. Don't make any major purchase. Don't apply for credit, okay? Don't even apply for credit during this period from the time you filled out that loan application till the time you close. And number 7, I know this is obvious, don't buy any real estate. Don't pay cash for real estate, don't borrow money for real estate, don't buy any real estate, either individually or with anybody else. Hold all that off until after you've actually closed. And number 8 is don't charge up your credit cards. You know, so you got a credit card for $10,000. You only owe $800. That's a good thing. Well, don't go out and buy a new lawnmower at Home Depot or something and spend $3,000 on that credit card. That can affect you in the underwriting process when they ask for updates, because it's very common, guys, ladies and gentlemen, right now, that the lenders are double checking these things at the last minute, in the last few days leading up to the closing. So they're going to want, updated statements and all that very frequently. And if it shows any of this stuff, your loan could well go on the rocks. And if you're in a buyer situation, the whole transaction could go on the rocks. Don't do it. Now here's 2 things I do want you to do. Number 1, I want you to keep all accounts current. I know that's obvious, but please do it. And keep them current, pay them before they're due. Don't wait till the last minute. And secondly, and on those accounts, even if you're paying an account off at closing, let's say that you got a situation where at closing they're going to pay off your Sears card. You say, well, I'm going to pay that off next month when I go to closing. I won't make that payment this month. No. You make that payment on time, okay? We don't want any statements that show a past due amount on it showing up. So even if you're paying it off, pay it on time, preferably pay it early. Don't wait till the last minute. And then finally, in this regard, the second thing I really want you to do is keep copies of your pay stubs and the account statements for all the accounts shown on your credit report, and also and shown on your loan application, and also for the accounts you're going to be paying off, because they're going to want to see those. Don't be surprised if 3 days before closing they want updated statements. So these are 8 things I want you not to do, 2 things that I want you to do. Everything will go smoothly, you'll be happy, everybody will be happy. And if you have any further questions on this, first I want you to talk to your loan officer. Second, if you have any questions of me, please shoot me an email. I'll be glad to answer them. And in the meantime, be sure to make it a great day. Thanks.